Relaxing, and all the way over to the left. Oh, good. You want to have a go? I'll talk you through it, don't worry. Okay. How are you? How often you got the opportunity to roll a hard? Yeah. Right, so, you control, bring the nose up, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And relax, good, and go right to left. Now, here we go, here we go, here we go, look, you're running up. Hey, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! Oh my god. I have control, you have control. Right, good and roll. Oh yeah. Oh. How you feeling? You on it? Yeah, okay. Swing over. We've got the mode on. And turning it. You see how tight it turns, yeah. And then we're going to let that thing accelerate. And we're going to do it. It is.